14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
The academies that we have here at Maplewood High School are Health and Electrical Services. And under Health and Electrical Services, we have the therapeutic and diagnostic pathways, as well as the Energy and Power. Then we also have the Entrepreneurship and Innovation Academy, cosmetology, auto mechanics, and entrepreneurship fall under that academy.
Well, in the pathway Energy and Power, we learn about electricity and circuits as I was working over here. And we just learn how energy and power is created and how we are able to use that in the world. It's very important to me because we have a lot of academies which give children different opportunities that they probably wouldn't have. And we have sponsors that help us, and we are able to build connections with those sponsors that will probably help us get a career after college. After high school or even college.
I think that this pathway is given the best opportunities, in all honesty, because you have the opportunity to become a medical assistant, you have the opportunity to get a college credit, you have the opportunity to get certified in CPR and OSHA 10. So, and I feel like everybody should be OSHA 10 certified, even if you're not in the medical field. But it just gives you the opportunity to get a lot of certifications and a lot of opportunities and a lot of networking. I love how much networking we do through this. It means a lot to me to be given the opportunity to take a college course, especially for something that I am really passionate about. So I feel like having that credit, it'll bring more attention to me when I'm applying for colleges, because they're like, oh, well, she already has a little bit of experience in anatomy and physiology or in biology, so she won't have to take that course. So
probably a memorable project is working with circuits and series circuits and parallel circuits, because that's one of the first things we started working on, and it just impacted me by just having the feel of how it is to work in this academy, and it just excited me more about the academy and the pathway and what we are getting more into the future.